Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to show you all how to put on a ponytail. Such a simple and easy way on how to do it. It literally takes a minute, 2 minutes max to do this. So if you're new to this channel, I suggest that you subscribe because I do a lot more videos similar to this. And so currently my hair is straightened right now, so I'm able to pull off the straight black synthetic ponytail, unlike if it was with my natural curl pattern. So that's something you want to keep in mind when you're putting on this ponytail hairstyle. I love it so much because it's a hairstyle that you can wear when you're going out and you're all dressed up, and it can give you that look as if you put so much time and effort into your hair, and it definitely makes you look really sleek. But you can definitely wear this on an everyday basis and it will still look so good. I'll pop in and tell you all, you can get this ponytail at any beauty supply store, $10, maybe $14 max. Now this ponytail is secure on my head, like it's actually so secure. It's not going anywhere. Make sure you all subscribe and let's get started. Okay, so the ponytail that I'm using is just a regular black synthetic wig from the beauty supply store, and I bought a 20-inch because it's either go long or go don't wear hair at all. that's just my mentality when it comes to fake hair. Like, yeah, you can go to any beauty supply. Look how nice this is. You can go to any beauty supply store and you can buy a ponytail, and these are the clip-on ones. So this is how the inside looks. Okay, so I just have my hair up. Okay, then I'm going to style my hair. Style your hair in any way that you want. I want one part in my hair. I don't know how I feel doing my hair in this style without any gel. You're going to decide, okay, do I want a high part? Do I want a low part? Do I want my hair way very low? I'm going to do low. That's all I know how to do. You want to make the ponytail tight, like very tight on your head. You're going to grab the ends of your hair, twist it. So I'm trying to do it without my other hand blocking. So you want to twist, 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 and then wrap this into a small tight bun, like super small. It doesn't have to be that small. I'm being extra. It doesn't have to be that small. Okay, so I just went in with another hair tie. It's kind of broke up, but it'll work to secure the ponytail. It doesn't have to be perfect. I look really preppy wearing turtleneck and then having my hair parted to the side like that. It's funny. Anyways, okay, now you're going to grab your ponytail. So what you want to do, open up the ponytail, like open it, and then you're going to want to put it over your bun, and then you're going to feel for a clip that is at the top of the ponytail. You're going to push the clip above the bun onto your hair. You're just going to push the clip into that section there. Okay, and then you're going to grab the bottom. I'm trying to see if I can show you all. So you're going to grab the bottom where my hand is right here, and then you're going to clip that at the bottom of your hair. Not on the bun, at the bottom of your hair. And then there's a string that you're going to pull and tighten. And try to make the ponytail as tight on your head as you can. So I'm just pulling the string really, really tight as I can because I want this really flat and secure on my head. The string that is right here, I'm going to use that to wrap around the ponytail. And this is just securing everything. Remember, you want this to be secured on your head. Once that's secure, whew, mamacita, you're going to grab a piece of the fake synthetic ponytail and you're going to wrap it around the ponytail lining. Now the reason why we're going to do this because it's going to just merge the ponytail in your hair seamlessly. Like, it's just going to give a seamless look, a seamless natural like effect, instead of just having like, oh, hair then a ponytail. So when people actually look at your hair, it's going to have that seamless natural like look, and that's what you want. Okay, just we know it's not real hair, but you want at least that natural like look. That's what I'm all for. So the hair is really long for me, so it's wrapped around 5 times, and then you can just tuck it in or go in with another hair tie and secure it, but I can tuck it in hopefully, or you can use a bobby pin. Wow, it's actually stuck into my head. Now what is this? Oh, it's a ponytail. Like what? So ponytail is on. Natural like effect. I'm going to go in with some gel, and I just want the front to look a little bit less frizzy. Gel's just gonna hold that down in place and make the hairstyle look a little bit more sleek. Okay, so I basically finished slightly trying to hold down my flyaways, but this is how it looks. So I came out this far to show you all the length of the hair. I am 5'7", so it's really long. This is how it looks. I feel like I always have to keep my head to the side because I just like this parting in my hair. And literally this is how easy the ponytail hairstyle is. It's not coming off. Yeah, so that's it. So that's it for today's video. So let me know in the comments or link up this video if you found this video useful. Now you know how to put on a ponytail, and make sure you all subscribe just a little bit. Like, look at that. It looks so good. So simple and easy. And that's it for today's video. I hope you all like it, and I'll see you all in my next video. Au revoir. Bye. But here's some more videos if you want to watch.